this is what the box looks like, very plain white. Then you've got a little bit of branding here, some details about the quantity, and let me unbox this. I'm going to show you the mobile phone in a bit, but let me first show you what else is there in the box. So you've got a normal adapter and of course a charging cable as well. And in this box you've got, I'm sure you get the safety guides. Yes, so you've got a quick start guide that will tell you how to install your SIM card, how to set it up, the device layout. You've got a regional lock guide, then you've got a warranty card. So all the warranty instructions and terms of conditions, etc., all given here. Let's now go to the best part and look what the phone looks like. And look at this, guys, just look at this. It's as real as it gets. I mean, the wallpaper, it really is coming to life in a way because it's so real. The details are magnificent, they are amazing. Let's see how the interface actually looks like. Pretty clean UI. There's no bloatware as well. The apps also look very clean, you know, in the way that they are brilliantly spaced, well spaced. And let's try and click a picture. So I've just clicked one picture and this is what it looks like. I clicked a picture of this adapter, this entire box, and you can see what the picture looks like. The brightness is amazing. In fact, the colors are well defined. The grays are also not getting marred by the white. So now let me go to the back and I'm going to peel this off. And this is a matte finish phone. You've got a three-tiered camera system right here. And you've got a little Samsung logo at the bottom of the phone, and of course no buttons on the left hand side, but on the right hand side you've got a volume up and down button, and of course the power button right here, which is also your phone locking button. And then you've got a camera in the front, which is a selfie camera. I'm going to quickly run you through the top features of the phone. In fact, so this one actually has an aspect ratio of 20:9. It's got an 8 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 865, which is the latest processor, and of course you've got a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. And as far as the cameras are concerned, like I said, the rear packs a 12 megapixel primary camera, then you've got a 12 megapixel camera, another one, and then you've got an 8 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus, so it sports a 32 megapixel camera for front selfies, which is right in the middle of the phone. Right, so you get multiple colors in this. Also you get cloud lavender, cloud mint, and cloud navy. So I've gotten a cloud navy. It's blackish blue. Connectivity is also great. It functions on Android 10, One UI 2.0, and of course you got sensors. So you've got a face unlock system as well, in-display fingerprint sensor, and then you got a proximity sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. So these are some of the key features, and guys, look at everything that you get inside the box. And this is it from me as far as this video is concerned. This was an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching.